This is Bharani, technical engineer. Today I am going to demonstrate how to create S3 bucket on AWS and also how to create the policies for accessing the files and folders on the S3 bucket using the URLs. I'm seeing that AWS console here, root user and IAM users are there. I am logging with the root user. So after login, you can see the services which is available in AWS. I'm going to S3 bucket. You can click S3 bucket here. S3 means simple storage service. For creating new buckets, here right side we have option called create bucket. You type the bucket name. You can also select the region. You have to uncheck this flag called public access to access these bucket files from outside. Have to check this create bucket. Now the bucket is created. Test AWS 17.6.2021. This bucket is created. This is having objects can be public, that is access. So if you go inside that bucket and if you upload some files, click upload. The file is uploading. I'm uploading some video files. So this is the file. So you can see this file inside the test AWS bucket. So if you can copy this copy URL and paste it on the browser, it says access denied because this is not allowed to access from the public network. To enable that public network to access the files and folders inside this bucket, we have to go to the option called permissions. Here we have here the bucket policy. Click the edit and copy this bucket ARN. So AWS is having the policy generator console. You can type the AWS policy generator in Google. You can get the AWS policy generator console like this. So here there is a different type of services for creating the policies. For us, we are creating now for the S3 bucket. So I am selecting the S3 bucket. In the principle, we need to select star. Star means from the source, star. And if you want to provide any specific services, star means I'm enable for all. For the actions also, we have a different type of actions to list, star, create bucket, all these delete buckets, means delete the files, all these options are there. So I am selecting for all the actions, this policy will apply. And whatever the ARN I copied from the policy generator, from the pod edit policy, I'm just copying here. And again, I'm making one comma. The same I'm copying again with the slash and star. Means the files and folders which is inside the bucket is accessible from public. I'm adding the statement. You can see here, this is a 2 statements I have added. So this principle allow from this S3 star means all these bucket inside the files and folders is accessible. So I have to click generate policy. So this policy got created here. Copy this. Go to policy generator, paste here. And save the changes. Now the policy got updated here. You can see in the S3 itself, it's automatically changed into public. Also in the link, copy the URL or the same URL is there already. You can access the video.